For grammar, we always want to start by looking at the answer choices. Unlike the rest of the reading questions, we want to look at the answer choices. So I see that doing a quick skim down A, B, C, and D, there's commas changing, there's semicolons. And normally on these boundaries questions, if you've been doing SAT prep already, then you know boundaries means punctuation, commas, semicolons, colons, all that kind of stuff. Um, the problem is when we get answer choices like B versus C, where both B and C have a semicolon. And what that means is, as you know, if you've been studying this, you know a semicolon is the same as a period or a full stop. So both B and C would break a run-on sentence. And then A and D would say, no, no, it's just one sentence. So it's not just a question of do we have a run-on sentence or not? It's not just a question of do we need to separate the sentences with a semicolon or not? It's also a question of what sentence the word however belongs in. Now, this one is not quite as messy as some because if we read carefully, we see that our sentence says conditions in factories and tenements were often harsh and dangerous, leaving many workers with little improvement in their quality of life. Now, leaving many workers, that's not a full sentence. We don't have a subject saying what is leaving many workers. So we can actually say, well, it's not going to be B or C because a semicolon is not appropriate since we don't have two sentences. Um, we could also say that we know that D is wrong because however always needs two punctuations. It might have two commas, comma, semicolon. Um, but however is always non-essential. It can always be crossed out. So we know D is wrong, and the answer then has to be A.